Hi, my name is Tim Gertzen. I realize this is at the end. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. Back to the beginning. It's me, Tim Gertzen. I'm your child's calculus teacher. Calculus AB and Calculus BC, two different classes, but there's enough overlap that I just did one video. So this is my back to school presentation, a little bit about me. This is my 24th year of teaching at Indio High School. That's a long time, I know. I currently teach Calculus AB, Calculus BC, Compacted Math, Year 2, Pre-Calculus, Honors, and Math 3 HP. I have dual citizenship with Canada and the United States, so I'm a Canadian, but then I became an American citizen in 2013. I'm married to an American. I have my children are American. I got my feet in both, and I love the fact that I get to teach many from different nationalities, some from Mexico, some from other places around the world, like Vietnam and other ones. I'm really excited about all that because the diversity is what makes it exciting, and to learn and the whole bit. All that's really exciting to me. So, what intervention supports? You know that calculus sometimes can be challenging. It's calculus. So, what do you do when it's frustrating and you want to cry and you want this and that and you can't? You likely maybe can't help them in calculus, but you want them to not be frustrated. So there's two main resources for you. FEV tutoring. There's a link in your child's Google Classroom. They click on that link and they sign up, and then they can get a free tutor online, and that's great support. They can go all the way up to calculus and beyond. Even a better support is that there's a YouTube video for every lesson I teach and a YouTube video for every assignment I assign, so they never have to do an assignment alone. They can do the assignment with me step by step. If they need the lesson a second time, they can watch the lesson I taught in class again and again until they feel they have a better understanding. So those are two great supports. Grades are based on, there's going to be weekly assignments that need to be handed in by, submitted by Sunday night. Quizzes done through Edpuzzle, unit exams, and AP classroom assignments. So most of the time, I make sure things are due by Sunday night, so they have the week to get it done. So if they're busy, things happen, they're on a sports team or other things, that if they need to, they can have through the weekend to get the work done. It's better if they don't, right? If they get their work done sooner than later, but if they need more time, then they have more time. That's the grade breakdown. Credits are earned every semester. So our first semester ends December 17th, and our second semester ends in June. How can you help? Well, if it's not calculus, and I don't expect you to do calculus with them, then what would be great is if they had a structured time to do their schoolwork every night or on the weekend, but there's something structured, it's quiet, safe place that they can get their work done with no distractions. That's best. And the second thing is if they can get to bed on time. I know it's not easy. They need to get to bed by 11, maybe even earlier. They can't consistently go to bed at 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning. Believe it or not, that happens. People submit work, students submit work all the time in the middle of the night because they're trying their best. It hurts me. I don't want that. I want them to rest and do their work on time in a nice way like that. If we can get to bed at a proper time and be rested, if we can have a nice structured time to get your schoolwork done, that's the best way to be successful. Here's how to email me, timothy.gertzen@desertsands.us. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm really into communicating. So when something happens, there's frustration, there's tears, there's whatever it is, because calculus can be challenging, email me, let me know, let me be able to be there to help the student, your child, so that we can be in a better spot. I just want to work together so that they can be successful. I really hope and know that they can pass the calculus exam. I wouldn't do this if I didn't believe they can pass the calculus exam in May, and so I'm excited about that too. All right, that's the end of the presentation. Thank you.